All of you, good morning. Again, come back to botany class. Before video, we have discussed uh, chromatography experiment. How can we extract various types of pigments from plant juice? That topic was completed. After completion of that, next concept, what is light reaction? In previous video, already I told light reaction driven by sunlight. That means what? Reactions which are driven by sunlight are called light reaction. Light reaction broadly are of two steps: non-cyclic photophosphorylation and cyclic photophosphorylation. That points also already we have discussed in previous video. Now in this video we will discuss light reaction. What are the steps in light reaction? What is light harvesting complex? What is reaction center? These are the main points. Come to the point. In presence of sunlight, absorption of light, splitting of water, removal of oxygen. Understand flowchart. During daytime, sunlight fall on leaf. Leaf is made up of mesophyll cells. Mesophyll cells contain chloroplast. Chloroplast contain large number of chlorophyll pigments. That is order. Remember order, don't forget. Chlorophyll pigments absorb sunlight. Then what happened? Splitting of water molecule. Inside mesophyll cells there is chloroplast. Chloroplast contain water molecules. So water molecules break down into protons, electrons and oxygen. Protons, electrons and oxygen. Oxygen liberate into surroundings through stomata. Steps are important. Now we will discuss light harvesting complex, right? LHC, light harvesting complex, also called antenna. Full form: light harvesting complex. Clear? Go through once a diagrammatic representation. Reaction center, that means chlorophyll A, sunlight fall on pigments, photon, reaction center, except chlorophyll A, rest of the all other pigments are called accessory pigments. Pigment molecules. Accessory pigment molecules include chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, carotenoids, etc. Okay. Acceptor, primary acceptor. Primary acceptor, electron. Once go to diagrammatic representation, pigment molecules called accessory pigment molecules. Example: chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, carotenoids. Clear? It is chlorophyll A pigment. It is main pigment, chief pigment. Hence, it acts as reaction center. In daytime, sunlight fall on pigments, means leaf pigments. Pigments pick up energy in the form of photons. All accessory pigments pick up energy and finally transfer to reaction center. Therefore, reaction center excited, release electrons into primary acceptor. Primary acceptor to other electron carriers. The combination of all accessory pigments except chlorophyll A, except one molecule of chlorophyll A, is called light harvesting complex, which is also known as antenna. That's all. Understood? Na? Right. Next. There are two types of complexes, PS1 and PS2. PS1 and PS2. PS stands for photosystem 1. Photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, same, right? PS1, in PS1, their chlorophyll A pigment excited at exactly 700 nanometer wavelength of light. Hence it is called P700. P for pigment. P for pigment. Which pigment? Chlorophyll A pigment. Chlorophyll A pigment. In PS2, their chlorophyll A pigment excited exactly at 680 nanometer wavelength of light. There are two complexes, PS1 complex and PS2 complex. Photosystem 1 complex, photosystem 2 complex. Photosystem 1 complex reaction center excited exactly at 700 nanometer wavelength of light. That means what? When 700 nanometer wavelength of light is exposed to chlorophyll A, then it is excited. Hence PS1 also called P700. Clear? Next, PS2, photosystem 2 complex excited at 680 nanometer wavelength of light. Right? That is the difference between PS1 and PS2. PS1, PS2, their order given mainly based on their discovery, but not based on their functions. Important point. Clear? Now we will discuss steps in light reaction, types of light reaction. First one, non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation, also called a jet scheme. Jet scheme of light reaction, another name. Jet scheme of light reaction, both are same. Once go through diagrammatic representation. LHC, light harvesting complex. Another LHC. It is PS2, photosystem 2. It is PS1, photosystem 1. Clear? Sunlight. Sunlight fall on pigments. Light harvesting complex include all types of pigments, chlorophyll A, B, C, D and all, except reaction center chlorophyll A. Rest of the all will be there. Right. Splitting of water molecule. Presence of manganese ions and calcium ions. 4 protons, 4 electrons and 1 oxygen molecule. When 680 nanometer wavelength of light transferred to light harvesting complex, immediately reaction center excited, release electrons into electron carrier. The first electron acceptor is pheophytin. Important. Remember, don't forget. Pheophytin is the first electron acceptor. From there to quinone A. Q means quinone. Next quinone B. Next plastoquinone PQ. PQ means plastoquinone. And from there to iron sulfur. Next cytochrome F. Next plastocyanin. Plastocyanin to PS1 complex. PC stands for plastocyanin. Plastocyanin. This and all electron carriers. Here some electrons transfer to cytochrome B6L. From there to cytochrome B6H. From there to again plastoquinone. Protons translocated. 2 protons translocated. Then ADP plus inorganic phosphate combine to form ATP. 2 molecules. Clear? Next, from PS1 to electrons transfer to electron carrier. First one A0. A means acceptor. A0, A0, A1, pyridoxine X. F means pyridoxine. F means pyridoxine. From there to pyridoxine A or pyridoxine B. From there to pyridoxine D. Next FNR. 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 FNR stands for pyridoxine NADP reductase enzyme. Full form NADP plus reduced to NADPH by taking electrons. And protons. Come to the point. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation, also called Z scheme of light reaction. This is the first step of light reaction. Two complexes together involved in Z scheme of light reaction. What are two complexes? Means photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Just now I told LHC stands for light harvesting complex or antenna. Clear? It includes all types of pigments except chlorophyll A pigment, because chlorophyll A acts as reaction center. Clear? In presence of light, water molecule split into protons, electrons and oxygen. Electrons enter into light harvesting complex. Oxygen liberate into surroundings through stomata. Protons enter into thylakoid lumen. Thylakoid lumen. The same protons you again used here for the production of ATP. Understood now? When 680 nanometer wavelength of light is exposed to the chlorophyll A, immediately it excited, release electrons into electron transport chain. The first electron acceptor is pheophytin. Second one quinone A. Q stands for quinone A, quinone B, plastoquinone, iron sulfur. Fes means iron sulfur. It is a protein. It also acts as electron carrier. Cytochrome F, plastocyanin. Pc means plastocyanin. Plastocyanin to PS1 complex. In such a way, electrons continuously transfer from PS2 to PS1 complex. Clear? Next, in presence of sunlight, PS1 complex reaction center also excited and release electrons into electron transport chain. The first electron acceptor from PS1 is A0, means A0. A stands for acceptor 0. Acceptor 1, pyridoxine X. F means pyridoxine. Then pyridoxine A or pyridoxine B. From there to pyridoxine D. From there to FNR. It is an enzyme, very important enzyme. FNR stands for pyridoxine NADP reductase enzyme. Clear? F means pyridoxine, N means NADP, R means reductase enzyme. That's all. In presence of FNR enzyme, NADP plus H plus reduced to NADPH. That means what is the final electron acceptor? Means NADP plus. Clear? By taking electrons and protons, NADP plus reduced to NADPH. I told NADP plus stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. NADPH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. But what is the difference? Means plus means oxidation, oxidized. H means reduction. Okay. Hence NADP plus means oxidized nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Clear? H means reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. That's all. One molecule of NADPH and 2 molecules of ATP synthesized by the end of the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. One more point, go through quinone cycle. It is called quinone cycle. Quinone cycle. Because here electrons movement, it looks like cyclic manner. Plastoquinone to cytochrome B6L, from there to cytochrome B6H, again from there to plastoquinone. So this cycle is known as quinone cycle. Clear? At the quinone cycle, protons translocated from stroma to thylakoid lumen. Stroma to thylakoid lumen. At the same time, 2 ADP and inorganic phosphate combine to form 2 ATP molecules. Formation of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate is called phosphorylation. Clear? This process occurs in presence of sunlight. Hence it is known as photophosphorylation. That's all. Understood now? Are you getting my point? Okay. So the end products of non-cyclic is 2 ATPs and 1 NADPH molecule. Only 1 NADPH molecule. You can remember all electron carriers, their sequence, and how question paper setter asks questions from this area. That is very important. How many complexes involved in non-cyclic photophosphorylation? How many complexes? 2 complexes. What are 2 complexes? PS2 complex and PS1 complex. That is the answer. Next question. What is the first electron acceptor from complex 2? Answer, thiophytin. Clear? Next. Which electron acceptor release electrons into photosystem 1? Answer, PC, plastocyanin. Clear? Next, one more question. What is the first electron receiver from PS1 complex? Answer, acceptor 0, A0, acceptor 0. One more question. What is the final electron acceptor at the end of the PS1 complex? Means NADP plus. NADP plus. One more question. FNR stands for ferredoxin NADP reductase enzyme. One more question. What are the end products of jet scheme of electron transport system? 2 ATPs and only 1 NADPH molecule. Only 1 NADPH molecules. One more question. What is the site of jet scheme of electron transport system? Means thylakoid lumen. Thylakoid lumen. Thylakoid lumen. This is the site of non-cyclic photophosphorylation or jet stream of electron transport system. Clear? And sometimes they ask questions based on electron carrier sequence from PS2 to PS1. You can remember all electron carriers. You count total how many electron carriers are there. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 electron carriers between PS2 to PS1. And how many electron carriers are there from PS1 to FNR? Means you have to count it once. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 electron carriers. You can remember all electron carriers in order. The movement of electrons through electron carrier is also known as oxidation, means oxidation or reduction. Oxidation and reduction, also called redox potential scale. Redox potential scale. Redox potential scale. Remember, don't forget, the movement of electrons through electron carrier is known as oxido-reduction scale or redox potential scale. That's all. These types of questions frequently asking in NEET objective exam. Okay, today I stop here. All of you practice the whole flowchart. You don't fear, you don't afraid by seeing this diagram. It is very easy. You watch video properly. That's enough. Right? Even I sent clear picture in your respective group. Thank you very much. Bye. See you. Prepare well.